guys. Well, it's our last day in Hong Kong, so we're gonna eat some dim sum and then go to the Monmo temple and then maybe go to ride on the tram that goes throughout the city. So yeah, gonna get some breakfast and then see what happens. Just trying to find the dim sum shop. Fortune foot massage. God. Steamed shrimp rice rolls, steamed chicken buns, Chinese dim sum. Oh, that's what we want. All right, that was good and fast. How was it? Pretty good. There's no like big flavors coming out. There's not like something like super zap, but yeah, it seems fairly healthy, easy to eat. So we have time to go to the temple. Maybe get a water at 7-Eleven. Is that local coffee? Is that the?
But I didn't like it.
Well, what's on there then? They have a pineapple bun with butter here, which I'm gonna get. Yeah, right across from where we just ate the dim sum, they have this place serving the pineapple bun. And Ing wanted to get some coffee at Long Lan Fong Yin. So this is the famous pineapple bun with butter. Yeah, it's just like a sweet roll. It reminds me of Hawaiian rolls in the US. You know that? Ooh, it's hot. Sunny. We're heading down Cage Street, going to the Monmo temple. We got our Volvic water here that we picked up from 7-Eleven. It says water from a volcano, so Lund Street public toilet. I think we walked down too far, but we can walk up these stairs. Nice quiet street here in Hong Kong. I like this area. I'm gonna step in 7-Eleven really quickly just to cool off because it's so hot. You can buy your food and eat it here. You've got Guinness, 2 for $36. Erdinger, Hogarden. The Guinness is a good deal. What is 36 Hong Kong dollars to US dollars? $4 and $4.50. So $4.50, you can get two Guinnesses in a can, and you can walk it around Hong Kong. It's like an open carry. You can just Is that the right term? I don't know, but it's you can walk around and drink. Although you don't see that many people doing it. I've seen mostly foreigners doing that, like myself. Oh, you can even get a case of beer here. That's nice. So that is how you beat the heat. Just 5 minutes in the 7-Eleven, and then you already feel much better. How do you feel? Is that a must to do if you're hot? Is go on the 7, right?
Okay.
Go on the 7 and then cool down. Okay, I think I see it. Do you see it, Ing? Yeah, I think that should be it. Oh man, I've got to say this is the first day that I felt relaxed in Hong Kong.
No.
Yeah, I feel like super relaxed, and it's the last day, unfortunately. So maybe it's more chill because it's the last day. So you're forcing yourself to enjoy the time more. Oh, there's also a Hollywood Road antique street, but for now we just have time to go to the temple. Okay, no photo inside. We're being told no photos inside, so I'll just try and take a little bit of video outside. Look at the sculptures on top. Alright, well, we're gonna go inside. And do our thing. Okay, trying to get that film for you guys. See in the back. We just got our second shower and we got checked out. Going to take the tram, which we haven't done yet. So we're gonna go to Kennedy MTR station, and then from there we'll take the tram, like the old school double-decker tram. It will take it up to Causeway Bay. Yeah, there's the line here. You can see the electric lines, I guess. That's what powers it. So that's there. And let's find out what direction to go. Looks like the tram is stopping up there, so we need to... That's one tram, so we'll get on the next one. You gotta be careful, don't stick your hand out, you might hit a pole, one of the electric lines. The guy just almost did. So first impressions of the train is pretty epic so far. Very chill. It is kind of hot. A little bit noisy, but yeah, no, it's very chill. How is it, Ing? And it was probably the cheapest thing that we've done in Hong Kong. It was like $3 Hong Kong for this. So that's like, I don't even know in cents, 10 cents, 20 cents, and it takes you an hour's journey all the way to the other side of town. So yeah, very cool. I wish we had done this sooner. It might be really cool at nighttime, I bet, as well. or like during sunset. So when we come back to Hong Kong, we'll have to do this again. I think it'll be this, and then the Victoria Peak. Yeah, those are like the must-do. A pleasant experience. We are going to eat at Sushiro. A little lunch at Sushiro, which is the Japanese sushi chain. It's like a conveyor belt sushi. And then go to one museum, and then it should be around time to head to the airport. We got a nice table. The Sushiro. Oh, they have different sauces too. Very cool. So these are the menus, and then you just choose one and order it. Big eye tuna, let's try that one. And then once you're done, you just press order. So now our sushi comes. Yeah. Made to order. I'm gonna get another one. This one was pretty cheap. 12 for all these. I'll order another one. Squids. So we're one beer in, one hot sake, and the second hot sake, and a cold sake. One beer, one cold sake, one hot one. The menu here has a lot more options, I think, than Thailand. Like you can get a full eel, which we got. You can get beer, sake. For some reason, the ones in Thailand don't have beer. So now I'm gonna say the 3 things you must do in the Hong Kong are go to the Victoria Peak, do the tram, and go to Sushiro. And actually, I think there's the 4th thing, which is to get the skyline from the Kowloon side. Yeah, I think you want to be in Kowloon, looking at the other side. And what you can do is you can take the Star Ferry, and that's the boat that we took in one of the earlier videos. And don't forget to come to Sushiro for your sake and your Suntory beer. Okay, oh my god, we're crossing the road. Alright guys, so we finished at Sushiro, and the bill was surprisingly affordable, because I thought, given the extraordinary prices here in Hong Kong for most restaurants, that it would be, similar at Sushiro, but it was only a little bit more expensive than the Sushiro that we get in Thailand. So the Sushiro is known as kind of a budget-friendly, I guess you could say, sushi restaurant. But they do have premium things, but because they have so many locations, they have economy of scale, and they're able to give you the sushi at good prices. Anyways, I thought it would be a lot more, so yeah, pleasantly surprised. Oh god. Jesus. I guess that was thunder. So we have 2 hours left. So we're going to go to M+, which is a new, or kind of new, museum. You can see it's gonna rain over there. Wow. There's gonna be a rainstorm. We were gonna go to that museum, but it's getting late. We arrived at where we thought we needed to be to go to the museum, but it's saying we have to walk another 40 minutes. I think we're gonna just try and see the outdoors, get out of the shopping mall. Those sakes and the beer and the sushi just knocked us out. All right, guys. Behind me is the Civic Square. And behind me now is the Ritz-Carlton. And you can see the Hong Kong city skyscape behind me now. So I think that will be it for this trip. I feel like we did a lot of stuff. The first couple of days were kind of hectic. I'd just flown back a week before from being in America, so I was still kind of jet lagged, and I had COVID at that time. It's bittersweet. It's always bittersweet the last day. The last day that you go, right? You feel like you like the place more the last day,
ใช่
and you wish you could stay. So if only we could keep that feeling the entire time. Not so good at goodbyes, but this is goodbye Hong Kong for now.